Looked at your credit score lately? Reports have shown an unexpected boom in FICO credit scores. But before you embark on that next shopping spree or apply for a loan, just know that spike can be a bit misleading.
You should not get fooled by these high credit scores.
Dr. Ann Kaplan-Mulholland started a multi-million-dollar company called iFinance 25 years ago. It specializes in loans for medical, dental, and home improvement bills. A credit score is just one factor she uses to determine whether or not to loan someone money.
The amount of understanding we have to have of that borrower is astronomical. That goes into, I think there's 62 variables that go into making that one credit decision.
Lenders are looking at your bank account history and stability as well. If you move too often or change your phone number, that's a red flag. According to Experian Credit Review, Americans hit a record high score throughout the pandemic, landing an average of 716. But Kaplan-Mulholland says the higher scores are misleading because they're attributed to folks spending less due to the lockdown.
People are not shopping, people are not borrowing, people are moving home with their parents.
Whatever you do, don't cancel a line of credit simply because you're not using it. Having credit history that is open and more of it to use will give you a higher credit score, she says. And in order to maintain it,
now what you need to do is utilize that credit. So if you have a credit card or a line of credit, buy things with it, but pay it off just before the deadline date. Just before that deadline date will show that you know how to use credit and you pay it off.
Now, if you're wondering why Dr. Ann Kaplan-Mulholland may look familiar, in addition to starting her own multi-million-dollar company, she also stars in The Housewives of Toronto.